What's up, you guys? I'm going to show you how I broke up the Brazilian into different pieces instead of looking at it as a whole, and it kind of helps me get more confident with doing Brazilians. So I like to keep my work neat. I decided it would be much easier if I could work in sections. So in my head, this is how I section off each body part. As you can see, each side is equal and opposite. So I section off my inner thigh pieces, my labia pieces, and then my top pieces. And I'm like, I'm going to work within the section that I just drew to keep myself neat and organized. That is how I came up with my waxing pattern. I made this pattern because I don't want my wax to touch each other. So I work on opposite sides. So I do one inner thigh strip, one labia. I do the other inner thigh strip, the other labia, and then I break my top pieces into two. So yeah, I hope this helps. Let me know if it helps. Let me know if it makes no sense at all. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. So I'm going to show you guys how I do my patterns for my Brazilian. I do the same pattern every single time. First, I start with a thigh strip. And then whatever side I start on, I do the opposite for the labia because I don't want the wax to touch each other. So I'm just going to pull taut at the top, and I'm going to use a pencil method to drag the wax down using lots of pressure in that area. And then I would pull those two strips up, but clearly this is on paper, so I'm going to go to the other side again, thigh strip, and then opposite side labia. Yeah, drag it down. And then I move on to the top strips. I do them kind of going inward because that's how the hairs grow at the top. And yep, I hope this was helpful.